So hello students, my name is Ashish Patel. I am your chemistry faculty. So today we are going to discuss some of the questions from chemistry class 10th. Okay, this is the question paper of science. So we are going to attempt some of the questions from chemistry part. So let's start with the first question, which says a student observes that a solution of zinc sulfate remains unchanged. Okay, zinc sulfate solution remains unchanged when a strip of copper metal is added to it. So what conclusion can be drawn? So we know that this question is from the chapter metal and non-metal, and the most important part of metal and non-metal is the reactivity series, and we know that copper is less reactive than zinc. Okay, copper is less reactive than zinc, so copper will not displace cannot be able to displace this zinc ion from this zinc sulfate, so here no reaction will take place. So let's check the option. Copper is less reactive than zinc. This option is absolutely correct. Here we have seen that copper is less reactive than zinc. So again we have found the answer. Let's again check the other options also. Here copper is more reactive than zinc. This is wrong option. Option C, zinc is less reactive than copper. This same answer with the different language. Both metals are equally reactive. This is also not the correct, because they are different metals and they have the variety of reactivity rates. So again we are moving to the question number 2, which says we have to match the column 1 and column 2. Okay, so first of all we will write the option here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so read out the question. Metal used in galvanization, we know, to protect the iron from the corrosion we use zinc rod, so which is in the option C. Second, metal which is liquid at room temperature, so we all know that mercury is a metal, okay, which remains in a liquid state at room temperature. So let's check the options so we can eliminate other options. First one, C and D. This one, option A, is incorrect. Second one, B. So this one also. First C and A, this might be correct, and D, 1, C, D. So we have found our answer, but again we are going to check the other options also. So third option, which says amphoteric metal. So amphoteric metal is nothing but the, okay, amphoteric means which can react as both what, an acid and as a base. So these are called as the amphoteric, okay, can act as an acid and bases. So we have the two option, aluminium and silver. So we know that the aluminium react as a amphoteric oxide. Last, good conductor of electricity. So we know that silver is the best conductor of electricity above all the metals. So again check the option C. So 1C, 2A, 3B and 4D. We have found our answer. Question number 3rd. In this activity, HCl was gas coming out of this delivery tube. So we have sodium chloride and test tube. Okay, we are dropping sulfuric acid sulfuric acid in this sodium chloride solution. So HCl gas is coming out from this, okay, delivery tube. So the question says, what is the primary reason dry HCl gas does not change the color of dry litmus paper? Okay, we have the dry HCl gas and dry litmus paper. So why this dry HCl gas is not able to change the color of this litmus paper? So we have the option, dry HCl gas is a weak acid and cannot change litmus color. This option is absolutely wrong, because HCl is from the strong acid group. HCl is from the strong acid group. So this option is not correct. Second option is HCl gas needs water to ionize and release H plus ion. This option is absolutely correct, because we know that HCl is acid only in the aqueous medium, so it will release H plus ion and chloride ions, okay, and this H plus will change the color of this dry litmus paper from blue to red. So we have found our answer, which is nothing but the B. But we have to check other options also, whether they are also true or not. So option C says litmus paper is only reactive with basic gases. No, it can give result with the acidic gases also, acid also. And option D is nothing but the HCl gas reacts with litmus paper only at high temperature. No, this is absolutely wrong. There is no requirement of temperature for the litmus paper to work. Okay, so we are moving to question number 4, which says Rahul was performing an experiment to study the nature of different substances. He tested the pH of lemon juice, baking soda solution and vinegar using a pH paper. The pH of lemon juice was found to be 2 and baking soda solution was 9 and vinegar had a pH of 3. Based on the pH values, which of the following is correct? So we have the pH scale like this, where we have 3 range 0, 7 and 4, and which number significate what? 0 signifies that this is acidic in nature. pH of 7 determines this is neutral in their nature, and for basic it is 14. So we will write basic. So we have given these 3 pH values. The first one is pH of 2. pH of 2 will be in the range of 0 to 7, so it will be acidic in nature. Then again pH of 9. 9 will be somewhere here and it will be in basic in nature. And last but not the least, pH of 3 of vinegar will be also an acidic. So let's check the option. Lemon juice is basic. No, lemon juice is having the pH of 2, so it will be highly acidic. So this option is wrong. Baking soda solution is acidic. Basic soda is having the pH of 9. It is in the range of basic solution, so it will be basic, not acidic. Third C option, vinegar is acidic and baking soda solution is basic. Basic soda solution has a pH of 9, so it will be in basic, and vinegar has a pH of 3, so it will be acidic. So this option is correct. All the given substances are neutral. No, they are not neutral. Last option, last question, question number 5, which says a shiny silver colored metal X. So this shiny silver metal, silver colored metal will be nothing but the your silver. It reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce a gas that burns with a pop sound. Which gases burns with a pop sound? Hydrogen. So it will release hydrogen gas, which will burn with a pop sound, and it will make another compound, silver chloride. So the question again says, what will happen if metal X is dropped into solution of copper sulfate? So our metal X, which is silver, if we are going to drop this in the copper sulfate solution, okay, copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, so what will happen? So this question says from reactivity series, and we know that the copper is highly reactive than silver, or we can say this silver is less reactive than copper, so it will not be able to displace this copper from this copper sulfate solution. So here no reaction will take place, so our option correct here, written over here, is no reaction will occur. So this will be our correct answer. Let's check other options also. Option A says copper will be displaced and the solution will turn blue. No, copper will not be displaced. Here also copper will be displaced. No, and the solution will turn colorless. No, the metal will dissolve and the solution will remain blue. No, this option is also not true. So we will only solve only 5 questions, students. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you.